Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on BDO or the Banco de Oro Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bdo.com.ph and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Banco de Oro. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and then choose your appropriate login portal. You will then be taken into the login page where you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID section and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on BDO Bank right away. Once you are logged in, simply click on the credit cards button and you will find the option to cancel your card. If you don't find this option, then scroll all the way down and within the contact us section you will find the phone number or the email address that you can use to get in touch with the support team. Just call this number and let them know that you wish to cancel your credit card and you will be provided with the steps that you can follow in order to cancel it. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to cancel your credit card on Banco de Oro. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.